Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will make a clam soup or clam chowder. In this pot here I have 2 cups of water and then 1 cup of diced potatoes, 1 cup of diced carrots, 1 cup of chopped celery, and 1 cup of diced onions. I will cook this until tender. I'll check the vegetable. They are all tender. So I'm just gonna set this aside over there. And then I will have this 6 cups of milk. I have to heat it through. And while waiting this milk to heat, I'm cooking this 1 cup of this is frozen clams. I have to add it in this. I will add this because it's only 5 ounces of canned clams, so I have to cook this here. I have here half a cup of melted margarine and a 3/4 cup of flour, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. Whisk this all together. And add 1 cup of milk. Stir it. Just whisk this until it's smooth. Now the milk is heated through. I'm gonna pour this into the milk. I'm just stirring this. Just gotta wait when it's boiled and thickens. Now it's start boiling and thickening. I add this vegetables and the juice. Stir it. And I stir this canned clams with juice and add this clams that I cook. And stir it. You can add more clams if you wish. I'm just gonna heat this all through. Clam chowder is ready, guys. You can garnish with green onions or parsley. Just gonna taste it. I'm tasting my clam chowder here. Get a little clam here. Very nice. It's very refreshing to me. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe, share and comments. Bye bye.